Welcome to MailerGPT, the all-in-one platform for all your email marketing needs. In today's digital age, email marketing is more important than ever, and MailerGPT makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to create and send professional emails that get results. Let's take a closer look at what MailerGPT has to offer. Section 1. Overview of MailerGPT. MailerGPT is a cloud-based email marketing solution that allows you to create, send, and track email campaigns. With MailerGPT, you can design beautiful emails using our drag-and-drop editor, create custom email templates that align with your brand, segment your email list based on various criteria, automate your email campaigns with our easy-to-use automation workflows, track your email performance with real-time analytics. Section 2. Creating emails with MailerGPT. One of the best things about MailerGPT is how easy it is to create beautiful emails that get results. Our drag-and-drop editor allows you to create visually stunning emails without any coding knowledge. Plus, our customizable templates make it easy for you to create emails that align with your brand. Section 3. Automating your email campaigns. Automation is an essential part of email marketing, and MailerGPT makes it easy for you to set up automated campaigns that save you time and drive results. With our automation workflows, you can create targeted campaigns that are triggered by specific actions, such as signing up for your newsletter or making a purchase. Section 4. Tracking your email performance. MailerGPT provides real-time analytics that allow you to track the performance of your email campaigns. You can see how many people opened your email, clicked on links, and converted into customers. This data allows you to optimize your email campaigns for better results. Conclusion. In conclusion, MailerGPT is the ultimate platform for all your email marketing needs. With our easy-to-use platform, you can create stunning emails, automate your campaigns, and track your performance in real time. Sign up today and start sending emails that get results. Certainly, I'd be happy to tell you more about the features and benefits of MailerGPT. Segmentation. With MailerGPT, you can segment your email list based on various criteria, such as location, purchase history, and interests. This allows you to send targeted emails to specific groups of people, increasing the chances of engagement and conversions. Personalization. Personalization is key to successful email marketing, and MailerGPT makes it easy to personalize your emails. You can use merge tags to insert subscribers' names, locations, and other information into your emails, making them feel more personal and relevant. A/B testing. MailerGPT allows you to run A/B tests to determine which email campaigns perform better. You can test different subject lines, email content, and images to see what resonates best with your audience. Integration. MailerGPT integrates with a wide range of third-party tools, such as CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, and social media. This allows you to streamline your email marketing efforts and get more out of your existing tools. Reporting. MailerGPT provides detailed reports that allow you to track the performance of your email campaigns. You can see how many people opened your emails, clicked on links, and converted into customers. This data allows you to optimize your campaigns for better results. Affordability. MailerGPT offers flexible pricing plans that are affordable for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're just starting out or you have a large email list, MailerGPT has a plan that will meet your needs and budget. In conclusion, MailerGPT is a powerful email marketing platform that offers a wide range of features and benefits to help businesses of all sizes succeed. With its intuitive interface, advanced segmentation and personalization options, and real-time reporting, MailerGPT is the perfect tool for creating and managing successful email campaigns. Sign up today and take your email marketing to the next level.